Discover yourself, who you are, what you can do in your life. Let's ask from brain to think and talk to act accordingly.
We will learn Python Tkinter in this video. Before starting the tutorial, let's see the outline first. 1. Introduction. 2. GUI. 3. Widgets. 4. Widget hierarchy. Introduction. Tkinter is GUI library, to create GUI application for desktop computer. Tkinter is the standard Python library for GUI application, which makes development of GUI application very fast. It is cross-platform, which means we can make application for different operating system using same program. It is very lightweight and super easy to learn, therefore it is the best choice for beginners to start GUI programming. GUI. Graphical User Interface. GUI is a graphic-based interface, where user interact with the system by clicking or touching icons and menus. Every Tkinter GUI application has a root window. Every other icons, menus and elements are contained inside the root window. To create a root window in Python Tkinter, first, we need to import the Tkinter library. Second, we need to create root window. Finally, run the main loop. This will create an empty root window. Widgets. Every icons, menus and elements in Tkinter is a widgets. There are many widgets available in Tkinter. The root window is itself a frame widget that contains other widgets. The basic widgets are entry, which is used to get input text from user. Label, that is used to represent other widgets, it shows text in windows. Radio button, it used to select a single option. For example, to select gender, user can either select male or female, not both. Checkbox, it is used to select multiple option. User can select as many option as he or she wants. Button, it is to use to perform actions when pressed. For example, submit the form to server when submit button is pressed. Widgets hierarchy. Root window is a frame widgets, which contain other widgets, and these widgets can be container to contain other widgets. For example, we can think root widgets as a box which contain other element and also contain smaller box which itself contains other elements. Implementation. Let's implement each widgets in our Tkinter GUI application. To create a label in our application, first, we need to import Tkinter library. Create the root window. Create the label, and label parent widget is the root window. This means that the label is contained inside the root window. Then, pack the widget into application. Finally, run the main loop. This will create a label with the text "Hello World." For creating a button, we modify previous code and create a button instead of label. Create the button on third line, then pack it. This code will create a button on our application. Thank you for watching this tutorial.